In today's video, I'm going to show you how to feature collection in Shopify. Now, what I mean by feature the collection is to have it as the first thing that you will see. Basically, you're going to feature the specific collection on your online store. So when I check out my online store right now, what we're going to see when we visit our temporary or our store, as you can see, and let's wait for it to load so that we can view and explain to you. As you can see, this is what you're going to see, featured products. Now, we would like to show or feature the collection that we have in Shopify. Now, I have already created myself collection over here. As you can see, you have full page and summer collection. So I want to feature summer collection. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your online store, wait for it to load again, and we're going to customize it. We're going to click on this option, customize, click on this, and we will be redirected to the editing page or the page where you will be able to customize your website. As you can see here, we have this part over here. So over here on the template, the featured collection is already something that is available over here. And it's named featured product. So we could change this to something else, a featured collection. Let's keep the original name. And now the settings of this featured collection is that it will automatically add all the products inside this collection. So you could change this and you could change the collection. And you have here the summer collection as well. And currently it is selected as all. So anything that you add to your Shopify store, any product that you create, it will automatically be added to this featured product, or right now we have called it featured collection. So let's select the summer collection. It's not going to be different. It's the same thing. You can click on select and there we go. Then you can simply customize the different settings of this. You have your description style, subtitle, heading style. You have your maximum product to show, number of columns on desktop, make product fluid, you can enable that, and many more. There's a lot of different settings here that you could play around, which will change the appearance of our featured collection part over here in our Shopify. And you can go back, you could add another section over here. You could add another featured collection if you want. You could select this. If you have more than one featured collection, of course, you could add it. For example, instead of summer, we would be able to have like a featured collection related to fall. Then you could add that. And you could change the name of this. Since our featured collection is summer, you could change this to summer collections. Something like that. Then you could change this one over here as well to winter selection if you have, or if you chose to choose that type of collection as well. And that's basically it. You could add any collection that you want. You could have as many collection as you want. You could add products, as many products, and then you could put them in different collections. And then you will be able to, of course, feature them in different methods. As you can see, that to be able to add a product inside your collection, for example, this one, you simply click on browse and you will be able to see all the different products that you already have in your store. All you need to do is to select them and of course upload it to your collection. It will automatically appear and update it over here on your Shopify store. And that's basically it. That is how you will be able to feature collection in Shopify.